Stop scrolling, because if you've ever killed a plant, this video is for you. You bought a beautiful houseplant. You gave it a cute pot, maybe even named it. And then, a week later, it's drooping. A month later, it's gone. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. It's not you. Most people just pick the wrong plants, especially in busy lifestyles where you're juggling work, errands, and everything in between. You need plants that don't demand constant attention. In fact, some plants actually prefer being ignored. Today, I'm going to show you 7 incredible houseplants that thrive on neglect. Yes, you heard that right. These plants can survive low light, irregular watering, and even your occasional forgetfulness. Whether you live in a small apartment, a busy family home, or you're just starting your plant journey, these picks are beginner-proof and stress-free. And make sure you stay until the end, because plant number 7 is not only low maintenance, but also incredibly useful in your daily life. Let's turn your home into a green oasis without the stress. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called the unkillable plant, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. If you're someone who forgets to water or travels often, this plant is your best friend. With its tall, sword-like leaves and striking green patterns, it adds a modern, clean look to any room. But what really makes it special is its ability to survive in almost any condition. Low light? No problem. Bright light? Also fine. Missed watering for weeks? It's still standing strong. Unlike most plants, the snake plant stores water in its thick leaves, which means it doesn't rely on frequent watering. In fact, overwatering is the only real way to harm it. So if you're the type who tends to love your plants too much, this one teaches you to step back. Another bonus, it's known for helping improve indoor air quality, making your home feel fresher and healthier. Many people even keep it in their bedroom because it continues to release oxygen at night. Styling-wise, it's incredibly versatile. Place it in a corner for a bold statement, or use smaller ones on shelves or desks. If you're just starting your plant journey, this is the plant that builds your confidence. It forgives mistakes, thrives on neglect, and still looks stunning year-round. 2. Pothos. If you want a plant that grows fast and looks beautiful with minimal effort, Pothos is your go-to choice. Often called the devil's ivy, it's famous for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves that instantly add life to any space. One of the best things about Pothos is how adaptable it is. It can thrive in low light, but it also grows quickly in bright, indirect light. This flexibility makes it perfect for apartments, offices, or rooms that don't get much sunlight. Watering is simple. Wait until the soil feels dry, then give it a drink. Forget once or twice? No problem. Pothos is incredibly forgiving and will bounce back quickly. What really makes this plant stand out is how easy it is to propagate. You can cut a vine, place it in water, and watch new roots grow within days. Before you know it, you'll have multiple plants to decorate your home or even share with friends. It's also a dream for styling. Let it trail down from a shelf, hang it near a window, or train it to climb along a wall for that trendy indoor jungle look. Pothos proves that you don't need a green thumb to create a lush, vibrant space. It grows with you, literally, and rewards even the smallest amount of care with beautiful cascading greenery. 3. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it houseplant. With its glossy, deep green leaves and upright growth, it looks polished and elegant without requiring much effort at all. What makes the ZZ plant so resilient is its ability to store water in its thick roots, known as rhizomes. These act like natural reservoirs, allowing the plant to survive long periods without water. So if you tend to forget your watering schedule, this plant won't punish you for it. It thrives in low light conditions, making it ideal for darker corners, hallways, or office spaces with minimal natural light. But it can also adapt to brighter areas as long as it's not exposed to harsh, direct sunlight. Another reason people love the ZZ plant is its clean, structured look. It doesn't grow wild or messy. Instead, it maintains a neat, upright shape that fits perfectly in modern or minimalist interiors. Care is incredibly simple. Water it occasionally, keep it out of direct sun, and it will continue to grow slowly but steadily. For anyone who feels like they've failed with plants in the past, the ZZ plant offers a fresh start. It asks for very little, yet gives you a sophisticated, long-lasting touch of greenery that elevates any room. 4. Peace Lily. If you're looking for a plant that combines beauty with simplicity, the Peace Lily is a perfect choice. Known for its elegant white blooms and lush green leaves, it adds a calming, sophisticated vibe to any space. What makes the Peace Lily especially beginner-friendly is how it communicates its needs. When it gets thirsty, its leaves will noticeably droop, almost like it's telling you, "Hey, I need water." Give it a drink, and within hours it perks right back up. This makes it incredibly easy to care for, even if you're new to plants. It thrives in low to medium light, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or even offices with limited sunlight. Beyond its beauty, the Peace Lily is often appreciated for helping improve indoor air quality. It creates a fresher environment and adds a sense of tranquility to your home. Styling-wise, it works well as a centerpiece on tables or as a decorative element in corners. Its soft, flowing leaves contrast beautifully with modern furniture and neutral tones. While it does enjoy regular watering, it's still forgiving if you occasionally forget. Just pay attention to its signals, and it will reward you with healthy growth and stunning blooms. The Peace Lily is perfect for anyone who wants a plant that feels alive and interactive, one that not only decorates your space, but also connects with you through simple care cues. 5. Spider Plant. The spider plant is one of the most fun and rewarding houseplants you can own, especially if you love seeing fast results. With its arching green and white striped leaves, it brings a fresh, lively energy into any room. But what really makes it special is how it reproduces. The spider plant produces little plants, often called spiderets, that hang down from the mother plant like little green stars. These can be easily cut and replanted, giving you endless new plants over time. In terms of care, it's incredibly easygoing. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Water it when the soil feels dry, and it will continue to thrive without much fuss. This plant is also very forgiving. If you forget to water it occasionally, it will bounce back quickly. It's a great option for beginners who want a plant that grows visibly and rewards their care. Styling options are endless. It looks amazing in hanging baskets, on shelves, or even in macrame plant holders for that trendy boho aesthetic. The spider plant isn't just decoration, it's an experience. Watching it grow and produce new plants adds a sense of joy and accomplishment to your plant journey. If you want something interactive, low maintenance, and visually dynamic, this is a must-have for your indoor collection.
6. Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is perfect for anyone who wants a bold statement piece without complicated care. With its large, glossy leaves and deep green color, it instantly elevates any room. Unlike smaller plants, the rubber plant has a strong visual presence. It works beautifully in living rooms, entryways, or any space where you want to make an impact. Despite its dramatic appearance, it's surprisingly easy to care for. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light conditions. Water it when the top layer of soil dries out, and it will continue to grow steadily. One of the reasons people love the rubber plant is its ability to grow tall over time, almost like a mini indoor tree. This makes it perfect for filling empty corners or adding height to your plant arrangement. It's also relatively low maintenance when it comes to pruning and upkeep. Just wipe its leaves occasionally to keep them shiny and dust-free. For busy individuals who still want a stylish home, the rubber plant offers the best of both worlds, low effort and high visual reward. It's proof that you don't need a lot of time or experience to create a space that feels vibrant, modern, and full of life. 7. Aloe Vera. Last, but definitely not least, aloe vera is the plant that combines beauty with real-life benefits. It's not just a decoration, it's a practical addition to your home. With its thick, spiky leaves, aloe vera stores water just like a succulent, which means it requires very little maintenance. You only need to water it occasionally, making it perfect for busy or forgetful plant owners. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, so placing it near a window works best. But even if you don't have perfect lighting, it can still adapt and survive. What truly sets aloe vera apart is its usefulness. The gel inside its leaves is commonly used to soothe minor burns, skin irritation, and dryness. Having one at home is like having a natural remedy within reach. It's also compact and easy to style. Place it in your kitchen, bathroom, or on a windowsill for a clean, minimal look. For beginners, aloe vera is a great introduction to plant care. It's resilient, functional, and visually appealing all at once. If you want a plant that gives back while asking for very little, aloe vera is the perfect choice to complete your collection. So, there you have it. 7 incredible houseplants that don't just survive, they thrive, even if you forget about them. If you've ever felt like you don't have a green thumb, hopefully this video proved that it's not about skill, it's about choosing the right plants. Start with 1 or 2 from this list, and you'll be surprised how quickly your space transforms. A little greenery can completely change the way your home feels, more alive, more relaxing, and more you. Now I want to hear from you. Which plant are you trying first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who keeps killing their plants, because trust me, with these plants, anyone can become a plant person.